Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be creating something really beautiful nail art, and as you all know that the swirl nail art is going really trendy these nails, and because it looks so bright and colorful and so pretty. So it's kind of an abstract nail art which requires some expertise, but sometimes you don't need that expertise, you just need a technique to apply it. So for that I'm going to teach you a really pretty technique, but first let me introduce all the gel brands that I'm going to use today. So this is a Romantic Starlight gel polish brand, which is like really good. They have sent me their neon gel polish set, so you can check out on their Amazon store. I have mentioned the link in the description down below for that. And this is a Kiara Sky gel polish. This one is like by Claw Beauty, this one is by OPI, and this one is by Your Sugar. So so many different colors are there, and the purpose is that I'm going to create a really beautiful kind of gel polish nail art. And I'm also going to use this LA Nail Addict gel brand, which is like really one of my favorite gel brand of all time. So I'm going to use this too. So let's get started. I think I should be adding like all of these gel color in this nail art plate, and you can see I have already applied gel polish, which is like a really pretty basic nude gel polish by LA Nail Addict, and it's in the shade Do Me a Favor. You can see the shade over here, it's so pretty one. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you can see the color scheme over here. I have taken out so many colors from the models, and I know this is a little confusing for you right now, but it will be clear when I will start applying it. So you can take this color scheme from any gel brand you have. First I will be taking this dark orange. First I will be drying this under lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to apply this light color inside of the gel polish. You can see it looks really pretty. So I'm going to do the same color scheme on all of the nails, okay, like that. Now it's time to apply a top coat to secure the design, and for that I'm going to use this top coat by Romantic Starlight, which is like art style gel polish, and I bought it from like Amazon. You can also go and check out their Amazon page to shop. Dry this under lamp for 60 seconds.